Joining me now to talk more about this countdown, we're just a year away from the World Cup final set to take place at MetLife Stadium, is the committee CEO, Alex Lasry. Alex, welcome and congratulations. What a year it's going to be.
Thank you. Yeah, it's an exciting year. I mean, we're finally here, right? We're 1 year out from the World Cup final, which is going to be the biggest sports and entertainment event that the world has ever seen. And the eyes of the world are going to be on New York, New Jersey. Welcome millions of people here, and it's going to be one of the greatest things and the biggest thing that's ever hit this region.
Absolutely amazing. And what was it like kicking off this 1 year countdown here at the New York Stock Exchange?
I mean, to be able to be a part of this, to be part of such a great tradition of being able to ring the bell, and to really symbolize the true kicking off of the 1 year countdown to the World Cup final. I mean, I can't think of a bigger or better way to do it than to ring the bell right here at the New York Stock Exchange.
Preparations, I'm sure, are already underway. Walk us through what goes into this big event.
Well, this is going to be the biggest event that the United States has ever seen. And so for us, what we're doing is making sure that we're getting our transportation plan finalized, our security plan finalized, working on our FIFA Fan Fest, which is going to welcome 50,000 people a day over the course of 40 days. The draw is going to come in December, so we'll know who will be playing here. So a lot to do to prepare for the World Cup, but this is fun. This is sports, this is entertainment, and this is going to be something that is going to really excite not just the region, but the entire country.
I want to talk about MetLife Stadium, in particular, East Rutherford, New Jersey. That's the location, easy access for anyone traveling from New York. What about that stadium stands out?
Well, MetLife is a one of a kind type of stadium, and I think it is one of the premier stadiums in the country. And I think one of the reasons we were chosen to host the World Cup final is because of not just how dynamic the stadium is, but how easy it is to get to. We have trains that can run there, easy Uber and taxi that can be dropped off, parking. So there are many different ways that you'll be able to get to the stadium, and I think that was one of the biggest reasons why we were chosen, is because of how easy and accessible the stadium is to reach, not to mention what an incredible experience the viewing experience is once you're inside.
A report on economic impact findings was recently released. How does that inform your preparations over this next year into the World Cup final?
So we just released our economic impact report, and it's showing over $3 billion of economic impact for the region over the course of the 40 days. 26,000 jobs will be supported. Over 1 million people will be here to visit the region. So, this is not just a huge moneymaker for the region, but this is also going to be a big tourism event for the region. Our hope is that $3 billion, over the course of the 40 days, will actually be exceeded over the course of the next 5 to 10 years for what this can do for the region in terms of bringing even more sports and entertainment events right here to New York, New Jersey.
Earlier this month, quickly, Alex, we saw the Club World Cup final actually hosted at MetLife. I'm sure that was pretty cool, right?
It was awesome, and I think we were able to show a little bit of what the World Cup could look like and what it's going to look like. The World Cup is going to be much bigger in scale and scope, but I think what we were able to show is the excitement and hunger that people have for soccer in this region, and give people a little bit of a taste of what the World Cup is going to look like next year.
All right, we are so looking forward to it. The countdown is on. Again, that was Alex Lasry, CEO of the FIFA World Cup 2026 New York, New Jersey host committee here on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange.